Hey guys,
Why do you have 60-foot oak planks?
the annual wild tips.
Wait, why do you
So
have
start.
16 though?
Stomping in at 18 pounds. Look like
Wait,
this.
can I take a short
Not
step?
that competition. It is the class.
Give me this stuff.
Snapping knees, snapping red, snapping
Let me just run in the chest.
cheese, snap everywhere.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Going in at 2 pounds.
Look behind you.
And
Look behind you.
this is calling master.
Hey, by the way.
Ooh. So might be
No.
kind of fast.
I
It's
think I deserve it.
the cocktail.
I tried to close it. As
I'm making him
fast as I can.
spin.
Yeah, that is very smart of me.
Jumping in at like
I want it.
98 pounds.
Dude,
99
well,
pounds. At 92 pounds.
They got a
5
million
pounds.
for no reason.
And
They literally kill more skeletons than I have it.
and he's
And I'm coming back to your base.
Going.
Sorry about that.
he's going
Because
going to
my
jump
brother
out
didn't have
competition
one.
with
We
us
had
with
Oh,
spring.
my day. Exactly.
spring up in your
Pose
with a
them.
spring on your arm. It's the monster.
Oh, bozo! Imagine.
He's the monster, everybody.
And guess what?
So weighing at like 18 pounds. This mouse will follow you to fun. And he's very well, you saw this mouse in this guy in the 7th. But he's still interactive and now he's ready to rock and win this competition.
I'm done. Feel like good night.
Just stopping in at
That's what the teacher said.
200 pounds.
Anyways,
A million pounds.
then he was like,
This fight looks like a jump out competition. It is the
Wait.
T-Rex. Stomp. Yeah. We at 150 pounds. He's a sumo, like the sumo wrestler, but way scarier. He's roaming in the house. That it's Mama. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, prepare to make some noise for yellow time. Doing out this competition. Let's make some noise for all of the toys here in the lineup toy championships.
No, there's no way.
So, guys, here's the trick. The One Toy Championships is coming to YouTube quickly. So, get everything started on your yet. So, just go get your fans to sign up.
This place is